Hello everyone, 10th class. In last video we discussed about sequences and series. Arithmetic progression के chapter के अंदर सबसे पहले हमने discuss किया था sequence and series. So let me give a short brief. See, what do you mean by sequence? Sequence क्या हमने discuss किया था बेटा? Sequence means arrangement of the numbers in a definite order according to some rules. Suppose हमने एक example लिया था 2, 3, 5, 7. These are prime numbers, okay? Or you can take one more example. Suppose 1, this is 8, 2 cube and 3 cube 27, 64 up to so on, okay? So this sequence follows the rule. These are cubes of natural numbers. This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube and so on, okay? And these are merely prime numbers, right? फिर हमने डिस्कस किया था कि सीक्वेंस, एक सीक्वेंस बेटा प्रोग्रेशन कब होती है? प्रोग्रेशन मीन्स इफ वी आर एबल टू राइट nth term of the sequence, that sequence will be your progression. It means sequence whose terms follow a certain pattern are called progression. जिसकी हम nth term लिख सकते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रोग्रेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये जो सीक्वेंस है ये प्रोग्रेशन में होगी, बट दिस सीक्वेंस इज नॉट प्रोग्रेशन. ये सीक्वेंस प्रोग्रेशन नहीं है, ओके? तो जिस सीक्वेंस की हम nth टर्म लिखते हैं दैट इज प्रोग्रेशन, ओके? उसके बाद हमने एक वर्ड डिस्कस किया था सीरीज. सीरीज मीन्स सम ऑफ द टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. जब हम सीक्वेंस को ऐसे प्लस की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं 2 + 3 + 5 + 7 अप टू सो ऑन, दिस इज कॉल्ड सीरीज. सीरीज मीन्स जब सीक्वेंस की टर्म्स को ऐड करते हैं, ऐड मीन्स प्लस की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड सीरीज, ओके? सीरीज फाइनाइट कब होती है बेटा? जब उसकी टर्म्स काउंटेबल होंगी. और इनफाइनाइट मीन्स इफ सीरीज हैज अनकाउंटेबल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, ओके? तो क्या डिस्कस किया था हमने? सीक्वेंस, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द नंबर्स, एंड सीरीज, सम ऑफ द टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस, प्रोग्रेशन. If nth term of the sequence can be discussed, that sequence is called progression, okay? उसके बाद हमने डिस्कस किया था AP. AP means arithmetic progression. This is name of the chapter of your NCERT, arithmetic progression. उसमें हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था बेटा? If the difference between any two consecutive terms is same, that progression, that sequence is called in an AP. This sequence is called an AP. For example, हमने ले लिया suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, okay? Now you can check this 2 is first term of your AP, this 4 is second term, this is third term and this is fourth term. If you check the difference between two terms, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So difference between any two consecutive terms is same. Therefore this sequence is AP. Okay? और AP की हमने एक डेफिनेशन ये भी डिस्कस की थी, except the first term. Term except the first term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. कि अगर हम first term को छोड़ दें, फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ें, लिविंग फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म हमें कैसे मिलेगी? बाय एडिंग द डिफरेंस. जो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस आएगा बिटवीन एनी टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स, डिफरेंस को अगर फर्स्ट टर्म में ऐड करें यू विल गेट सेकेंड टर्म, डिफरेंस को सेकेंड टर्म में ऐड करें यू विल गेट थर्ड टर्म. व्हाट इट मीन्स, इफ वी राइट, अगर हमने ले लिया बेटा फर्स्ट टर्म एज A1 और इसको A भी लिखते हैं, and common difference as D, then A2 will be A1 plus D, okay? right? फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ दिया हमने, सेकेंड टर्म कैसे मिलेगी? बाय एडिंग द कॉमन डिफरेंस राइट टू द प्रीसीडिंग टर्म. सो A2 का फॉर्मूला हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? A1 plus D. So A1 plus D. A1 means A1 को हम A भी लिखते हैं, so we can write this as A plus D, okay? Now A3 means A2 plus D. We discussed in last video what is formula for A3. A3 means A2 plus D. Now A2 को बेटा हम A plus D भी लिख सकते हैं. So if I replace value of A2 here, क्या मिलेगा A3? A plus D C. A2 की जगह A plus D आ गया, plus 1 more D. So we can write a plus 2d. So it means now formula of a3 directly we can write a plus 2d. Formula for a2 is a plus d. Okay. Now if we write a4, in last video we discussed a4 means a3 plus d. a4 के प्रीसीडिंग टर्म कौन सी हो गई a3. a3 में कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड किया तो a4 आ गया. a3 मीन्स नाउ वी कैन रिप्लेस a3 एज a plus 2d. a3 को बेटा रिप्लेस कर दिया a plus 2d. राइट डाउन दिस d एज इट इज. सो यू विल गेट a plus 3d. इन ए सिमिलर वे a5 विल बी a4 plus d. सो a4 को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं a plus 3d plus d. सो यू कैन राइट a plus 4d. ओके. And a6 is a5 plus d. So a5 को replace कर सकते हैं a plus 4d, right? Plus d. So you will get a plus 5d. Now why we are writing this? We are trying to make one formula. We are trying to write the general term, the nth term of this AP. ठीक है. यहां से हम nth term derive करेंगे बेटा. Now can you write this a plus d as a plus 2 minus 1d. a plus d को क्या लिखेंगे a plus 1d. इस 1 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा 2 minus 1. So we can write a plus 2 minus 1d. And this a plus 2d एक्चुअली ये कौन सी टर्म है थर्ड टर्म. तो क्या इस 2 को आप 3 की टर्म्स में लिख सकते हो. yes we can write 2 as 3 minus 1. So we can write a plus 3 minus 1d. Okay. Now next is fourth term. Fourth term a4, and what is your fourth term a plus 3d. So can you write this 3 in terms of 4? Yes, we can write 3 as 4 minus 1. So we can write a plus 4 minus 1d. Okay. Again this is formula for fifth term. Fifth term a5. So can you write this 4 in terms of 5? So we will write this as a plus 5 minus 1d. And in a similar way, this is sixth term. So we can write this 5 as 6 minus 1d. Now children, observe all these results. देखिए बेटा, again a2, a plus 2 minus 1d. a2 है यहाँ पे, इधर 2 minus 1, इधर a3 है 3 minus 1d. a4, 4 minus 1d. a5, 5 minus 1d. a6, 6 minus 1d. So in a similar way, if I write an, तो an को क्या लिखेंगे a plus n minus 1d. ओके. देखिए चिल्ड्रन, a सब में आ रहा है, फर्स्ट टर्म सब में आ रही है. सो इन nth term also we will write a. So in second term a plus 2. Second term is 2. So a plus 2 minus 1d. d is repeating, d भी सब में आ रहा है, तो हमने यहाँ भी d लिख दिया. Now in third term a3 है, so a plus 3 minus 1d. Fourth term a plus 4 minus 1d. Fifth term a plus 5 minus 1d. Sixth term a plus 6 minus 1d. So in a similar way, nth term we can write as a plus n minus 1d. Okay. You can observe the pattern. यहाँ से आपके पास formula आ गया. Okay. So now what is formula for nth term? nth term का formula हमने अभी डिराइव किया. क्या बन गया a plus n minus 1d. Okay. So you have to remember this formula for the nth term. Okay. And अगर यहाँ से आप निकालें suppose seventh term you want to find. So you will put n as 7. अगर आप n को 7 put करें, what will be your seventh term? a plus 7 minus 1 6d. Okay. And if you want to write 20th term, so put n is equal to 20. You will get a 20, a plus 20 minus 1 19d. Okay. If you want to find fifth term, then put n is equal to 5. a5, a plus 5 minus 1 4d. Okay. Right. Clear. देखो a5 है, a सब में आएगा, फर्स्ट टर्म विल रिमेन सेम. अगर फिफ्थ टर्म लिखनी है तो फिफ्थ से पहले वाला नंबर कौन सा हो गया 4. सो यू विल गेट a plus 4d. 20th a plus 20 से पहले प्रीसीडिंग नंबर 19 19d. ओके. a7, so number preceding to 7 6, So A7 means A plus 6D. In a similar way, if you want to write suppose 100th term, you will get A plus 99D. Okay. If you are not able to write in this manner, directly learn this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. तो जो भी term आपको निकालनी है n की value put करिए, you will get that term. Okay. Now this nth term, we can write this nth term को हम एक और इसको हम last term भी कहते हैं, last term. Okay. And one another notation we have for this L. So nth term को हम L भी कहते हैं. L means last term. Okay. And formula for nth term or last term is A plus n minus 1D. Okay. Now remember one more result, children. nth term, जो भी nth term होगी ना AP की, nth term of AP is always a linear expression. Linear expression, ठीक है. nth term is always linear expression. Linear means power of the variable present is 1. Here what is your variable n? So n की पावर हमेशा 1 होनी चाहिए. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क में पूछ सकते हैं MCQs में. सपोज 4 MCQs आर गिवन, किसी में n की पावर 2 है, किसी में 3 है, किसी में 1 है, कि इनमें से कौन सी nth टर्म हो सकती है. तो ये रिजल्ट वहां आपके काम आएगा. nth टर्म ऑफ AP is always linear expression. Okay. Now children, we are starting exercise 5.2 of NCERT. So question, refer to question number 1, first part. So refer to your exercise 5.2 question number 1. Now in this case one table is given. इसमें क्या है बेटा, nth term में क्या यूज करते हैं हम, A plus n minus 1D. So we are using an, left hand side क्या है an. Okay. So formula for nth term is A plus n minus 1D. So how many variables we are using? एक तो nth term an है, right? एक हमारे पास unknown quantity A है, एक unknown quantity n है, and one more unknown quantity is D. So it means we have 4 quantities an, and D. So in your first question, out of these 4, 3 are given. You have to find 4th one, right? तो कोई भी 3 given है, आपको 4th निकालनी है. It means always you have to use this result. Okay, now first part is A7 given. A is 7 and D is 3, N is 8. You have to find An. So I will write result of An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. An we have to find. So write this An as it is equal to A. What is value of A given? 7 plus n. What is n? 8 minus 1. What is D? 3. Now simply solve this expression. 7 plus 7 into 3. So this is 7 plus 21. 28. So it means nth term is 28. This is your answer. Okay. Now we are taking one more part. In this part, A, you have to find value of A. और आपको given क्या है? Value of D is given, N is given, and An is given. So again we will write the formula of An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Now we will put the values. An is 5 minus 5 given. तो an को replace कर दिया minus 5 में, is equal to A. We have to find value of A. So write this A as it is plus n. What is n? 18 minus 1. And what is D here? Minus 3. So you will get minus 5. A plus 18 minus 1. 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A minus plus into minus minus. 17 3s are 51. So 51 को shift कर दीजिए left hand side. Minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. So value of A is 46. So value of A will be 46 in this case. Okay. Right? Okay, now we are taking question number 2. No, okay, one more part we can discuss. 4th part, decimal wala part है, ये भी discuss कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now again in this part, value of A is given to us, D given है, we have to find value of N. And moreover, An is also given to us. Okay. So out of 4 quantities, 3 quantities are given. So easily we can find the 4th one. So again we are writing this formula An. A plus n minus 1 D. Now put the values जो भी given है बेटा put करिए. An is, see here, An is 3.6. So instead of An we will write 3.6 is equal to A. Value of A is minus 18.9 plus we have to find N. So write down this N as it is. N minus 1. What is your D? 2.5. Okay. So how to solve this? First of all, shift this 18.9 to left side. So 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So add these two. 22.5 you will get is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Okay, so now n minus 1 and 2.5, these two quantities are in product. तो 2.5 को हम शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, उधर जाके डिवाइड हो गया. So 22.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.5 इज इक्वल टू n minus 1. इनके डेसिमल्स हटाइए. So you will get n minus 1 is 22.5 upon 10 into 10 upon 25. So 10 is cancelled. 25 9s are 225. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. So value of n is 10. It means, what it means, अगर यहाँ n 10 आया, so what it means? It means जो 10th term है, an is equal to 3.6. It means if we write this sequence, ये वाली AP जब हम लिखेंगे तो आपकी जो 10th term है वो हमारी 3.6 आएगी, because value of n is 10. If you put n is equal to 10 here, what you will get? A10. A10 is equal to 3.6. It means 10th term will be 3.6 in this sequence. Okay, children? Okay. Now come to question number 2. This is question number 2, second part. Okay. So now in this question number 2, this AP is given to us. ये AP given है. AP is given, it means common difference will be same. In this AP, we have to write the 11th term. कि इसकी 11th term क्या होगी? Okay. So to write 11th term, first of all we need to find A and D. कि इसकी first term क्या होगी and D is common difference. Common difference क्या होगा? So this AP is given to us. So first term is minus 3 and common difference. Common difference हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? Common difference means difference between two consecutive terms. So A2 minus A1. Common difference हमने डिस्कस किया था A2 minus A1. So what is your A2? Minus 1 by 2 minus, write this minus as it is. What is your A1? Minus 3. So you will get minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Take LCM. 2 LCM minus 1 plus 6. This is 5 by 2. So D is 5 by 2. It means common difference is 5 by 2 and your first term is minus 3. Now children, what you have to find? A11. 11th term is A11. So although formula for A11 will be 11 से पहले वाला नंबर क्या आएगा? 10. So formula for A11 will be A plus 10D. But if you are not able to write, you can write nth term. Nth term is A plus n minus 1D. You have to find 11th term. For 11th term, we will put n is equal to 11. इसमें n को 11 put करिए. So you will get A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1D. So A11 means 11th term is equal to A plus 10D. Okay. Now put value of A and D. So A11 is, what is your value of A? Minus 3 plus 10. What is your value of D? 5 by 2. Okay. Now just simplify this. 2 5s are, A11 is minus 3 plus 25. So A11 is 22. It means in this AP, ये आगे जाके जब जो भी आपकी 11th टर्म आएगी, 11th टर्म क्या आएगी बेटा? 22. 11th term will be equal to 22. Okay children? Okay. So now we are taking one more question. This is question number 3. In question number, refer to question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms. Okay. So we are doing first part, question number 3, first part, 2, and this is your missing number. This is 26. Okay. So ये box आपको fill करना है. So first of all, check it. This is your first term, this is your second term, and this is your third term. Right? So कोई भी term, AP की कोई भी term लिखने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Suppose you have to write 10th term, A plus 9D. So what you need? A and D. अगर आपको A और D मिल गया, you can write any term of AP. Okay? So what should be your target? To find the values of A and D. ओके सबसे पहले इसमें हम चेक करेंगे व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. इसमें ये आपकी फर्स्ट टर्म है बेटा, दिस इज योर सेकेंड टर्म एंड दिस इज थर्ड टर्म. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? एक तो फर्स्ट टर्म गिवन है. फर्स्ट टर्म को क्या कहेंगे? ए. So A is 2. And this 26 is your third term. So it means third term is given to you. This is 26. With the help of this information, we will find the value of D. Because I told you, कोई भी term लिखने के लिए आपको क्या चीज चाहिए? A and D. A is given to us. A मिल गया हमें. तो क्या required है अब? D. So with the help of this, we will find value of D. So first of all, A3 is given. But actually A3 का formula क्या होता है? AN is A plus N minus 1D. So to write A3, आप क्या पुट करेंगे? N को 3. So A3 क्या मिल गया? A plus 3 minus 1D. So A3 का फार्मूला बन गया A plus 2D. ओके, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया, यू कैन राइट दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन और डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट फार्मूला फॉर A3. व्हाट इज फार्मूला फॉर A3? A plus 2D. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज A3 गिवन टू अस? A3 is 26. तो A3 की जगह क्या लिख दिया हमने? 26 is equal to what is A? A क्या गिवन है बेटा? 2. 2 plus 2D. Okay. So shift this 2 to left hand side. 26 minus 2 is equal to 2D. 24 is equal to 2D. So D will be equal to 12. D आपका क्या आ गया? 12. ओके, नाउ वी नो ए एंड डी. तो ए और डी की हेल्प से आप कोई भी टर्म लिख सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आई नीड नाउ? आई नीड टू राइट सेकेंड टर्म. सो सेकेंड टर्म का फॉर्मूला क्या बन गया? ए प्लस डी. अगेन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू राइट द फॉर्मूला, सो ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1D. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए एन को 2 पुट करेंगे. So A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1D. Okay. So I have written directly formula for A2. A2 is A plus D. What is your A? 2. What is your D? 12. So A2 is equal to 14. It means we can write our answer like this. ये 2 हमें given था. ये बॉक्स हमें फिल करना था. बॉक्स में सेकेंड टर्म. सेकेंड टर्म क्या आ गई आपकी? 14. And this third term is 26. Now you can check beta. What is the difference between second and first term? 12. What is the difference between third and second term? That is again 12. Okay, right? So we are taking one more part of third question. एक और पार्ट इसका डिस्कस करते हैं. We are taking now third part. Third part is third question. Third part. This is 5. This box is not given to us. This is not given to us. 9 1/2. Okay. Okay children. Third part. Now again we have to fill these 2 boxes. Right? सबसे पहले देखिए हमें given क्या है. What is given to us? This is given to us. ये क्या कहलाती है? First term. ये क्या होगी आपकी? Second term. This is your third term. This is your fourth term. It means first term and fourth term. These 2 terms are given to us. With the help of these 2 terms, first of all we will find values of A and D. A और D मिल गया. You can write any term. With the help of A and D, we can write second term and third term as well. Okay. So first of all, A is 5. First term is 5. Now A4 is equal to 9 1/2. Mixed numeral is given to us. 9 2s are 18 plus 1. 19/2. So A4 is equal to 19/2. Now because A4 again AN is A plus N minus 1D. If you want to write A4, so you will put N is equal to 4. So A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1D. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A4 का फार्मूला मिल गया. So A4 का फार्मूला यहाँ पुट कर दीजिए. So this implies A plus 3D is equal to 19/2. Okay. Now A is given to us. So put value of A. 5 plus 3D is equal to 19/2. 3D is equal to 19/2 minus 5. ये 5 इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया. Take LCM. 2 19 minus 10. So this is 9/2. So D is equal to 9/2 into 1/3 because this was 3D. तो 3 इधर शिफ्ट होके डिवाइड हो गया. 3 3s are. So this implies D is equal to 3/2. D भी मिल गया हमें. So we got D also. अब D मिल गया. So we can write any term. So we have to write here second term and third term. Now children, second term का फार्मूला क्या बनेगा? A plus D. Again I'm telling you, if you are not able to write the formula, write down AN and put N is equal to 2. A2 बन गया A plus D. So A2 is A is 5. plus what is value of D? 3/2. Take LCM, 2, 10 plus 3. So A2 is equal to 13/2. A2 मिल गया हमें 13/2. Now we have to find A3. A3 is equal to A3 का फार्मूला. Again, if you are not able to write, an का फार्मूला लिखिए, n को 3 पुट करिए. I'm writing फार्मूला direct. A3 means A plus 2D you will get. Value of A is 5 plus 2, value of D is 3/2. 2 is cancelled with 2, 5 plus 3. So A3 is equal to 8. A3 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 8. So now what is your final answer? 5 was given to us. इस ब्लॉक में सेकेंड टर्म क्या आ गई? 13/2. थर्ड ब्लॉक में थर्ड टर्म क्या आ गई? 8. And fourth term 9/2. This was given to us. So these are your missing terms. So in this way we can find any missing term. कोई भी ऐसी sequence given हो, we will find the values of A and D with the help of given information. And if once you got A and D, you can find any term. Okay. Now children, we are doing fifth part of this third question. Fifth part. Third question, fifth part. This first box is missing, then it is 38, second box missing, third, fourth and minus 22. Okay, 38 and this is minus 22. Okay, 3 boxes are missing. Now first of all you have to find what is given to us. हमें given क्या है? So ये first box क्या हो गया बेटा? आपकी A1. ये क्या हो गया आपका? A2 second term. This is A3, this is A4, this is A5 and this is A6. अब यहां से ये चेक करिए what is given to us. हमें given क्या है? एक तो second term given है और sixth term given है. So first of all we will write second term and sixth term. Okay. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Second term के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? Put n is equal to 2. So a2 is equal to a plus d. But second term यहां से क्या given है आपको? 38. So put A2 is as 38. So you will get 38 is equal to A plus D. Name this as equation number 1. Okay. Now next what is given to us? This given is sixth term. Okay. Sixth term के लिए क्या करेंगे? इसी फार्मूला में हम n को 5 पुट कर देंगे, 6 पुट करेंगे. So A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 5D. Formula for A6 is A plus 5D. Now what is your sixth term? This is given minus 22. So we will write sixth term is minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. Name this equation as equation number 2. Now children, I told you if you want to write any term, what you need? A and D. आपको क्या चाहिए? A और D चाहिए. Now in this case we got two equations. First equation and second equation. Now by using linear equation, either you can apply elimination method or substitution method, whatever you feel easy. Okay, so you can apply any method जो x और y find करने के लिए करते थे. With the help of those methods, by using these two equations, we will find values of a and d. एक बार a और d मिल गया, we can write any term. Okay, now we can solve here. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या थी? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या थी आपकी? a plus d is equal to 38. This was your first equation. Second equation, this was a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. Directly we are subtracting these two equations. So a is cancelled with a, d minus 5d minus 4d is equal to 50 and this is 60. So d is equal to minus 60 upon 4. So d is equal to minus 15. d आ गया आपका minus 15. Now put this value of d in any one of the equation. First equation क्या थी आपकी? a plus d is equal to 38. Right? So a plus d is equal to 38. So put value of d here. a minus 15 is equal to 38. So value of a is 38 plus 15. ये आ गया 40, 53. तो ये आ गया आपका 53. ओके, सो इट मीन्स a इज इक्वल टू 53. वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 53. a अब वंस यू नो a एंड d यू कैन फाइंड एनी टर्म. अब हम यहाँ मिसिंग टर्म लिख लेंगे. ओके, So your value of A is 53. Once you know A and D, you can write any term. अब आपको चाहिए क्या बेटा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड फर्स्ट टर्म. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 53. तो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक का आंसर क्या आ गया? 53. नाउ यू नीड टू राइट A3, A4 and A5. Okay, now we will write A3, A4 and A5. Okay children, A3 we need, A4 and A5. A3 का फार्मूला A plus 2D. आई एम रिपीटिंग कि जिसको फार्मूला नहीं लिखना आता, राइट डाउन द जनरल टर्म और उसमें n की वैल्यू 3 पुट कर दीजिए. अब एक बार देखें हमारा A क्या था? A 53 and D minus 15. We will write here A 53 and D minus 15. Okay. So A3 is equal to A 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So this is 53 minus 30. 23. So A3 is equal to 23. Now we have to find A4. A4 means A plus 3D. Right? Put values of A and D. A 53 plus 3. D is minus 15. So this is 53 minus 45. This is 8. So A4 is equal to 8. Now we have to find A5. A5 means A plus 4D. Again I am repeating. रिजल्ट में कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप nth टर्म का फार्मूला लिख सकते हैं. A plus n minus 1D. Put n is equal to 5. So A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 4D. I am writing direct. So value of A 53 plus 4. D is minus 15. So 53 minus 60. So this is minus 7. So A5 is equal to minus 7. Okay. So therefore final answer is, first block was given A 53, second 38. This was given. थर्ड टर्म क्या आ गई हमारी? 23. देन फोर्थ टर्म 8. देन फिफ्थ टर्म minus 7 and last term was minus 22 given. Okay, you can verify. आप इसमें चेक कर सकते हैं. D minus 15 है. It means फर्स्ट टर्म में से 15 माइनस करेंगे. You will get this 53 minus 15. You will get 38. 38 minus 15. You will get 23. 23 minus 15. 8. 8 minus 15 minus 7. Minus 7 minus 15 minus 22. Okay. Okay. So children, that's it for today. Practice the question based on nth term. Remaining question we will discuss in next.